Welcome back to our channel YASH EDU Academy. In our previous video, we were discussing about the number system, knowing our numbers, chapter 1 of class 6. We have done with the number system and place values of the numbers. So now we are continuing that chapter with the new part 3 video. In this video, we are going to discuss about the comparing numbers. Comparing numbers is nothing but we are finding the difference between the two different numbers or two different digits. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about comparing numbers. In comparing numbers, the numbers are find out and compared with the greatest and smallest numbers, okay, according to the descending and ascending orders. So in this comparing numbers we have two rules, that is rule 1 and rule 2. In rule 1 we are going to discuss that we should find or count the number of digits available in the given number. Okay, in the first number, if in the first number we have 5 digits of number and in the second number we have 4 digits of number, then we should count the number of digits in the given number. So let us see. Now rule 1 says that we should find or count. We should find or count the number of digits. Number of digits. So in case 1, I am giving the number as 70282. This is a 5-digit number. Okay, so this is a 5-digit number, and in the first digit we have given 5-digit number. Now in case 2 we are giving the 4-digit number. Okay, so it is 4828. Okay, simply I am giving the rough number example, for example. Okay, here it is 4-digit number. So according to the rule 1, what we should do, we should count the number of digits in a given number. Okay, so let us write the place values of each number. Okay, we will get ones, tens, hundreds place, thousands place, and 10,000s place. Okay, so in the 5-digit number we have the highest number 7 in the place value number of 10,000. Here for 4-digit number I am writing the place values ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, so in the 4-digit number we have the largest value as 4 with the place value of thousands. Okay, so it is 4828. It is 70,282. So based on the two concepts, based on the two numbers, by applying the rule 1, how we should find? We should count the number of digits that is completed. Now we should write the greatest and smallest numbers. So greatest, least or smallest. Okay, smallest. Okay, now 70282 is greater than 70282 is greater than 4828. So 4828. Okay, hence we got the final answer. Now in the case 2, we should find the leftmost number of the given digits. Here rule 1, it is applied for the number of digits. It is applied for the number of digits for different numbers. So here it has 5 digits, it has 4 digits. So both the numbers have different number of digits. So in case if we have same number of digits, we should find the leftmost number of the numbers, given numbers. Okay, so if the two given numbers are in same number of digits are in same number of digits, we should start differentiating with the leftmost number. Okay, for example, if I am taking in case 1, I am taking the 5-digit number 89282. Okay, 89282, it is a 5-digit number. Okay, in case 2, same number of digits we should take. Okay, 68282. Okay, it is also 5-digit number. Okay, so in case 1 and case 2 we have same number of digits with the different numbers. Okay, let us write the place values. Okay, for 2 it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. Okay, in the same way for the second case, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. Okay, for both the numbers we have same digits with the same place values. In this case we should find with the leftmost number. Okay, we should find with the leftmost number. Okay, if we come from the right side, we have same numbers, so we cannot find the difference between them when we are coming from the right to left. Okay, we should start differentiating from the left to right in both the cases. Okay, so here at the left side we have the numbers 8 and 6. So obviously we can blindly write it as 89282 greater than 89282 is greater than 6828. Okay, both the numbers have equal number of digits and with their place values also same. So both the numbers have place values of 10,000 and 10,000 in case 1 and case 2. But when we are trying to differentiate, the 10,000 place value has a different numbers. That is, in the case 1 we have 8, in case 2 we have 6. So 8 is greater than 6, no? So we can directly write it as case 1 is greater than case 2. So we got the answer for this. In this way we have to compare the numbers by using the two rules, rule 1 and rule 2. Okay, in the rule 1 it tells about the comparing numbers with the number of digits by comparing the two numbers, okay, by their place values also. Okay, in rule number 2 it says about the comparing the same number of digits with the same number of place values by observing the leftmost number of the given two numbers. Okay, in this way we should find the comparing of different numbers. Okay, for example, if I am writing, this is example number 1 for rule number 1. Okay, now I am taking compare the numbers 89248 and 7424. Okay, compare the numbers 89248 and 7424. The question comes as compare the numbers 89248 and 74248. Like this, if the question is given in your exam, you should compare the number by using rule number 1. Rule number 1 as count the number of digits with the place values. Okay, if the two numbers are with a different number of digits, we should directly use the rule number 1. Count the digits first. If the number of digits are same, then you go for the rule number 2. Okay, So here the given numbers are different number of digits. Okay. See, let us find out. First write the place values for the given question. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand here, and ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000 here. Okay. Simple. Now the number of digits vary because we have done with the rule number 1. So if the number of digits are different, then we should write the place values and use the rule number 1 to find out the greatest and smallest number from the given question. In the same case, for rule number 2, this is example number 2. So if the question comes in your exam as compare the numbers, compare the numbers 95482 and 87424. Okay. So first when you start the solution, before starting the solution, compare the numbers with the number of digits. See, 1 2 3 4 5 and here also 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so equal number of digits are there. Write the place values: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. Okay, here also ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. Okay, so in the for both the numbers, the place values and number of digits have matched. So what we should do? We should go with the leftmost number of the each digits. Okay, leftmost number of the each digit. So in the first one 9 is given, in the second one 8 is given. So obviously we know that 9 is greater than 8. So this number comes as the greatest. Okay. In another way we can find, if the questions are given as, see, in this 8 place, if we write the question is given as 9. Okay, the question is given as 9. Both the leftmost numbers are same. Okay, both the leftmost numbers are same, number of digits are same, and the place values of each numbers are the same. So now, after finding the leftmost number as same, then go for the second number from the digits. Okay, so in the first case, in the first number we have 5. In the first number we have 5. In the second number we have 7. Okay, so this whole number gets lesser and this becomes the greatest number. Okay, this number becomes the greatest number because we have the least number in the second place. This has the highest number in the second place. So for the first digit, both the numbers have same digit of number, equal number of digits. Now in the second place of the number, the place value with the 1000 has greatest number in the second number. So this number gets the greatest number and this number gets the least number. If the first number from the both given numbers varies, then we can easily find out from the leftmost number. If the first numbers of the two digits is same, then we should find with the second place of the given digits. Okay, by the place value. Okay, this is the rule value. If both the second place also same, then go for the third. If both the third place value also same, then go for the fourth. In this way you should find the comparing numbers with the rule number 1 and rule number 2. Okay, now let us discuss the summary of the today's video. Okay, now in this video we have started with the comparing numbers from the chapter Knowing Our Numbers part 3 video, okay, of class 6 maths. Okay, in the rule number 1, actually first before starting the rules, what is comparing numbers? Comparing numbers is we are comparing and differentiating the numbers from each place value and the number of digits. Okay, to find out whether the given numbers are greatest or smallest by comparing the two numbers. Okay, in the rule number 1, so the comparing numbers are differentiated into two rules, rule number 1 and rule number 2. In the rule number 1, we should count the number of digits. Okay, we should count the number of digits from the given two numbers. Okay, in case 1 we wrote that 5-digit numbers, and in case 2 we have written 4-digit number. So in this case, when the two numbers have different number of digits, then we should find the place value. We should write the place value, and we should write the greatest number as the biggest number of digits. Means if we have 5-digit number with the 4-digit number, then the 5-digit number gets the greatest. If we have the 9-digit number with the 5-digit number, the greater the number of digits will become the greatest number. Okay, and this is the example we have done with in rule 2. Now let us come to rule 2. In rule 2, the rule 2 is a bit confusing. Okay, please try to understand. In rule 2, the two given numbers are in same number of digits. That means if the numbers are given, if the two numbers are given with the equal number of digits and equal number of place value. Okay, so we should start differentiating with the leftmost number of the digit. Okay, so if we take two numbers with equal number of digits and equal number of place value, okay, so we should find the leftmost value. We should find the leftmost value of the two given numbers. Okay, if the both numbers contains 5-digit number, we should go differentiate from the leftmost number of the two digits. Okay, so in the case 1 we got 8 here, in case 2 we got 6 here. Okay, so from both the cases the number of digits are same and the place value is also same, but the leftmost number of the each number is differentiating. So 8 is greater than 6, so the case 1 number gets the greatest one and the case 2 number gets the least number. Here we wrote the greatest and smallest way. And in example number 2, compare the numbers with the given numbers here. So in this case we have wrote the same number of digits in the leftmost number with the same number of digits. Same number of digits, same number of place value, and same numbers of the leftmost value in the given numbers. So all the cases are same. At this situation we should go with the second digit of the two numbers. Okay, both the first digit of both the numbers have first digit as with the same number. Now in the second place we have 5 here and we have 7 here. So obviously the 7 is greater than 5. So here in this case we should find the greatest and smallest values with the by comparing the second digit of the two number of digits. Okay, two whole digits. Here two 5 digits are there now. From these two 5 digits we should find we should compare the number of second digit of each number. Okay, in this way we should find and compare the numbers by using the rule 1 and rule 2 of comparing numbers. Okay, hope the video was informative. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel YASH EDU Academy. From the next video we are going to upload more interesting concepts like pharmacy, medicine, engineering, school concepts like math, science and MPC and BPC of Inter. All the concepts are going to be uploaded soon in our channel. Please stay tuned to our channel and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please do like, share and subscribe with your friends and families. Hope the video was informative. Thank you.